In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Ledger to Coinbase wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly set up Ledger and your Coinbase wallet so you can exchange any sort of asset between them. It is easy to do, and you just have to make sure that the wallet is set up on both Coinbase and your Ledger, depending on the crypto asset that you will be sending or receiving. So make sure that you go into the app catalog and you download any necessary application like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. Now head over to your accounts page and you will find the plus sign to add a new account to Ledger. So this is going to be the account where you will be receiving the crypto asset. So you can choose, for example, Ethereum, and you will receive a Bitcoin or an Ethereum address. So make sure that you copy this after you have received. There are three main steps, and you might have to look at the physical screen on your device to confirm. I'm just speeding through the process. Once you have this wallet address from Ledger, you are now able to input it in other exchange wallets, including Coinbase. So if you go over to Coinbase, you can either choose the option to send or receive on the home screen, or when you tap any asset, you will see the graph, other information, and then you will also see the send and receive buttons. If you choose send, you have to input the amount of the asset that you want to send or in your local currency, and then finally the wallet address that you copied from Ledger. So this is going to be the wallet address that you gathered when you were using Ledger Live. And of course, you can do the opposite route where you send or you receive Bitcoin within Coinbase. And to receive Bitcoin within Coinbase, you choose the option to receive instead. This will give you your Coinbase wallet address. And if you go over to your account on Ledger, you will also find the send option. And you simply have to repeat the same steps within Ledger Live. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Ledger to Coinbase wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.